Boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You know what's about to go down today. We're gonna test this Porsche out. And we might run my car, I guess why not, but we're gonna run my boy's Porsche back there and have some fun today. Drag strip. Got the times up there. See if we have a good time, man. About to pay, get ready to go. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Today's gonna be a good day.
8,000 miles.
Six in that F5. He spun like crazy too.
He spun. Seems like they're going faster than 10.5.
It's only 450 wheel, I know.
Woo, my man, first time. Fucking rookie. Fucking drag strip rookie over here. You got the stock wheels on though. I forgot how good this looks with the stock wheels.
It don't look bad, right?
No.
Funny is you've never
No
seen
gold
them
wheels.
stock
No 22s. We're not running drag strip with 22s, boys and girls. Not gonna happen.
22s.
Yeah. Let's give it a shot, see
Maybe
what
a
happens.
rookie, dude, but you're gonna look like a pro.
And then
I look like a pro.
we're gonna run a little red over here. We're gonna run red, see what she does.
There you go.
She's never been down the strip yet.
Might get up.
Oh, this is nice, man.
Hold it, but be careful.
Oh, that's a nice little helmet. Let's see if we get some light on that. Like that on GoPro. Oh, and the neck harness.
Carbon Hans. That's like
I definitely don't need it in my car. So
$2,500.
that's not bad.
Protect your
Not
fucking
bad.
life.
Yeah.
The way that it's good for 10 years.
I've paid big money for motorcycle helmets, so
Yeah, the way that I look at it, this will save your life, and it's $250 a year to make sure you don't die.
Perfect. Is it warm? It should be warm anyway, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's dark here. Got no lighting. Ain't no cars. Oh, look at this. Empty lanes.
Hey, cameraman.
First time staging, baby. First time staging. You'll be here lining up. Got M5.
Whether it goes
Narrow.
1, 2, 3 green, or if it goes green.
I would like to be aware that
Of course, we kill that. I don't know how that does. You never know with these cars.
Okay, now it's time to go. Burn.
Pull up, bro. Nah, I mean, you might be up here with this guy. Which that's kind of pointless.
you need to race like a minivan.
I mean, if they line you up, you're going to be here with this guy, so hey.
You might have twin turbo.
Like, he needs to race me. Hey, did you get it all detailed for the track? Bro, you look so serious with the helmet.
I'm serious.
Stop right there. Hey, don't get kicked out. Don't get kicked out. Hey, let's not get kicked out. No low nines.
27, 113, 1335, 106, and the right.
First time staging, baby. And he ran through the water like a fool. Nuts. He should have went around. Back up, son. Back up. (10-1), 142, and he freaking spun like a madman off the line because he went to the stupid water trail, bro. What a numbnuts. Don't go through the water, bro. No water. Well, these boys got packed here now. I'm pretty hungry, guys. I gotta eat some. Dinner of champions right here, boys and girls. Racetrack fries and a racetrack burger. And then let's go. M340 gets here. Back up. I don't know how to stage.
I thought that kid was
pretty good, 110 in that. I got a 12.5. It's pretty impressive. He stopped. Oh, you suck today? We're in the 12.5, 122. Oh, he ain't stopping. 122 mile an hour. Let's see what my boy does right here in this GT3. His first time running. They don't know how to stage. Rookies. Damn, that thing's screaming. That thing is screaming. Did 11.8, buddy. 121 at 11.8. Good run. Good run. Yeah, that thing's screaming, bro. That thing screams. Let's see what this dude can see. I think he's got an exhaust. This guy on the C8.
Yeah, I'd like to see what that thing is.
11.7, 11.9, huh? It's a quick SUV, man. 11.7. That's pretty fast. He'll smoke me in my car, that's for sure. C8, one of them C8 boys.
Wow. Yeah, how you can see it?
He's gonna race Ford versus Chevy. Ford versus Chevy. Let's see if he took off on me. See, 11.7, 116. 13.4. That Mustang was spinning.
Oh, like you're good for the gas mileage.
PSI, baby. Yeah, just press the little thing right on the top there.
You should probably go down into the fucking what? Mid-20s? High 20s?
You're at 46.
Oh,
Damn, bro. You need to be way.
I would just say, because you don't want to go like a extreme difference, I would just go to 40.
No.
Think?
That's a lot of pressure,
it's
bro.
high, but you're going to have like...
Are you getting it
I'd
out
say
now?
like
No.
35 or something, bro.
Let's go to 35, because you don't want to do like a dramatic...
Look, let's go 35, and if it does it again, we'll go down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you can always put more.
Yeah, they're
there
sticky
right
actually, bro. They're
that's
definitely sticky. That's a badass freaking.
Yeah, this guy's.
Oh yeah, it's being real different right now, bro.
100%.
Oh, dude.
I might launch this Sport Plus again.
Just do
Missed
it
the
again.
fucking
Don't
water.
go on the horn.
Nah, I didn't know.
Just try it.
It's my first one, bro. Everybody's screaming at me and shit.
You got it? It has a light, bro. Press the little thing.
Oh, it does? Oh, dope.
There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're gonna get some different.
Yeah, that's good. Go to the next one. That should be good.
Okay, here's the cap right there. There you go.
Go to the front one.
46 PSI, baby. Nice. Gas he's trying to save gas on the track. He's trying to save gas on the track over here.
I was just like, bro, this thing's probably close like 50 PSI, bro. And I won't know.
35. We're down to 35.
They're at 46, 42.
Drive home on 35.
That was 46 too?
42.
It's not as bad.
We'll just put some HREs in it.
You won't bet it.
No, they'll be fine.
Kids, bikes. Y'all watching Two Wheels?
let off also.
Oh, he let way off. Yeah.
The other guy we did A6.
Seven, 11-8. So GT500 against a SRT8. Price is 300, baby.
300, baby.
Price, baby.
Oh, with the car seats in the back.
7-speed all. Bye-bye. 10-7, 127. 13-7. Damn, that car's slow.
It's not a clutch.
Oh man, somebody burnt that clutch up, bro.
10-7? That thing's moving, bro.
Catch him. He did catch him. Almost. Is that a C63 AMG?
Yeah, they can move too, right?
Yeah, he's gonna. If he doesn't spin. No. Rear. So guys.
Over the bow tie.
He's racing this guy. Let's see how we do this go round. Spun like crazy. That was a lot of spin right there. A lot of spin. Oof.
Anywhere, like off to the side, just to watch? Probably.
Novatech 812, baby. Oh, check out the ACR.
See you guys. Turbo S. Turbo S. Thing looks insane. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. How do you like it? I mean, what's not to like, huh?
What, I heard you were having some issues with some, no.
Stop holding everybody up, people. Yes, it will be loud. Where's the Viper?
I parked it all the way over there.
Yeah, we got to see this bad boy run right here. This bad boy too, tuned up. This should be good. Tuned M5 versus the 101 Ferrari F12.
Last two, Paul. Ball it. Yep.
M5 812. M5 gets him, baby. He's missing gears in that 812, baby. Missing gears in that 812 wasn't good. Yes, no puddles. No puddles, baby. Good job. Say no to the water.
That's it.
Hold it, baby. GT3 versus a little 335. Tune 335 too. Are you in a 12 flat? That 121. And that little 3 Series coupe's quick, running 121 mile an hour. That's pretty fast. Race 2, baby. Race 2. F12 trying to get some heat back, baby. This thing sounds so good. GT3 go bye-bye. We got some rain.
I mean, he
Can't see it.
Yeah.
but once he runs out of gas,
We got some rain.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Raining on our parade here. We didn't run the 3 Series, guys. We didn't run it. We got shut down, baby. We got shut down. Mother Nature said no. Go home. Go home. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the channel. Help a brother out.